Sure. Well, put that away.
Yeah, whatever you need me for, let's do it. All right.
We want to get. That's the problem. Yeah. Because look at it, it grows right to the ground.
Well, yeah, that's why we gotta get it right down there.
We're gonna have to cut in here.
Can you start it? Because I don't want to fuck it up.
Let's put it across.
Alright.
All
We're
right.
gonna prop this up now.
So we're gonna prop it against another tree. I'm thinking maybe that one.
What do you think?
This one or that
And I'll
one.
put a tiny
Normy Dayz.
Normy Dayz.
This is
Dad, can you explain what's going on right now?
What do you mean?
For the camera?
Oh, for the camera?
Yeah.
Well, we've canvassed the field of Christmas trees. Take a look around. And we've come up with our tree for this year.
the winner.
Over thousands of trees, we selected this one.
Nothing but the finest.
Only the finest, folks.
It's quite a scrutiny, but we've all agreed this is the tree.
Alright.
So we're going to cut it down.
Now we're gonna try and take the photo.
That was probably a lousy description of it, but
Innovation.
Yeah.
yeah, take a picture, get it out to James, so he knows what he's missing.
It's not great, but I think it'll do.
Not bad. That's a nice tree, actually.
Well, maybe it's not too.
All good?
How are we gonna take this selfie?
Either that or someone takes the picture.
We also, hold on, I would like to show you the. We have a very nice saw here. Sure bench.
Handsaw.
Hansel.
You know, then we can get those later on. Oh, it's coming down.
Maybe I could just put it up like this.
All right, well, you guys figure that out.
I mean, Em, I got my bottle. You could prop it up on that.
Better.
Hey. Cool.
Excellent. Perfect.
Trying to prop it up.
We're gonna prop it up.
There you go.
Just like that.
There we go.
See, that looks. How we doing?
Em, can we get a thumbs up?
Wait a minute.
Thumbs up.
Let me put my thing back on.
Stand down in action.
Got to put the mask on. Yep.
Beard's on.
Beard's on.
We looking good?
We're looking good.
Good?
There it is. Let him see that. Yes, our friend who's got the weird boyfriend you don't like wants to be a firefighter. We're not surprised.
Wait, the gal, the girl, the chick?
No, the guy.
Oh, the guy.
Boyfriend, the one that...
That's why I'm being a firefighter.
Oh, there he goes. He's coming into the... We'll tell you in a bit. There's nothing wrong with them. They've got a very admirable professional. Just most of them